This glowing navbar animation can instantly make your website look premium. Watch this. When I click on a menu item, the icon smoothly pops up. You can see this soft glowing effect around it, and this white indicator moves perfectly under the active item. This small animation makes your UI feel much more interactive. So let's build this. Let's start with the HTML. First, in the head section, we set up the page, we define HTML5, set up the language, and make a layout responsive using the viewport tag. Then we link our CSS file and import Font Awesome for icons. Now let's create the structure. We use an unordered list to build the neighbor items like home, about, services, and contact. Each item has a class called list, and one item is active by default. We also define a custom color for each item. This will be used for the glow effect. Inside each item, we add text and an icon. And this extra element called indicator will move under the active item. Now let's style everything. Most of the magic in this project actually comes from CSS. First, we remove the default spacing from all elements using margin and padding set to 0. We also set box sizing to border box. Next, we style the header. We fix it at the top using position fixed so it is visible while scrolling. Width is set to 100% and we add a light border at the bottom. Top space. This is just a small top section with background color, mainly for spacing and design. Now we style the navigation container. We use Flexbox to center everything horizontally and vertically. Height is fixed so the nav bar stay consistent. Inside the navigation, we use a flex layout again for the list items. This aligns all menu items in a row. Each menu item has equal width and height, so everything looks balanced. We also use position relative, which helps in positioning child elements like icons. We remove the default underline from links and center everything using Flexbox. The text is visible by default and centered vertically. We also add a smooth transition for better animation. When the item becomes active, we hide the text by setting opacity to 0. Now we style the icon. It is positioned absolute so it can move freely inside the item. Initially, it is hidden using opacity 0. When the item becomes active, the icon becomes visible. We move it upward using transform, which creates the pop-up effect. We also apply the background color using the custom variable. To create the glow, we use a pseudo element before the icon. This adds an extra layer behind the icon. We apply a blur filter which creates a soft glowing effect. Initially it is hidden but becomes visible when active. This white circle acts as an indicator. It is positioned absolute and sits behind the active item. We use pseudo element before and after to create curved edges. This gives a smooth connected shape effect. Finally, we move the indicator using transform. Each position is controlled using nth child selectors. So depending on which item is active, the indicator shift accordingly. Now let's add interaction using JavaScript, and it's super simple. Here we select all the menu items using query selector all. This returns a list of all elements that have the class name list. Now we loop through each item one by one using for each. This allows us to apply the same logic to each menu item. For each item, we add a click event, so whenever we click on any menu item, this function will run. First, we remove the active class from all items. This makes sure that only one item stays active at a time. Then we add the active class to the clicked item. Current target means the element we just clicked. JavaScript is only used to control which item is active. The rest is handled by CSS. If you want the full source code, you can get it from my GitHub. Link is in the description. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more UI animation and front-end projects. See you in the next one.